Likely patients are to recommend this hospital. Ready?
Med student down.
As the pit. It is derogatory and incompatible to the institution's image.
You know what's incompatible with the institution's image? Me?